so such happy news. Now my feelings. Hey guys, it's me Ashwara, and right now I'm going to pick up my brother from the bus stand because he will be arriving soon from his cluster. I feel this so happy. I am going to pick up my brother, and he's coming back from a sports competition. Like, I was the one who dropped him off, and I can't tell you the satisfaction. I don't know. It was just I was so freaking happy because I also used to go in cluster commands and all, and at that time it was like, I was not able to share my feelings because मेरी दीदी नहीं गई थी and मेरा भाई भी नहीं गया था कहीं खेलने, तो आई वॉज द ओनली वन जो कि इस लोगों को बता रहे हैं बट लोग समझ नहीं पा रहे. बट अब मैं अपने भाई को अगर शेयर करूँगी एंड वो मुझे शेयर करेगा तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल एक हो जाएगी एंड मतलब मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा, लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा. सो अभी ही विल बी अराइविंग सून. आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक माई फिट इज़ लाइक सो कूल. एंड या अगर टाइम मिलेगा तो कुछ शॉपिंग भी करनी है मम्मा के गिफ्ट के लिए बिकॉज मम्मा का बर्थडे आ रहा है एंड क्योंकि मैं पढ़ाई में व्यस्त रहती हूँ मुझे समय नहीं मिलता ये करने का. सो लेट्स गो. Wear helmet and carry one for your passenger. Although I look like a mushroom head while wearing helmet, but safety is important. चल के तुम्हें कभी हुआ नहीं है, तो जिन्हें हुआ नहीं रहता ना उन्हें ज़्यादा वो होता है. अच्छा, हम शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं मम्मी के बर्थडे के लिए.
रिकॉर्ड मत करो.
चलो जल्दी बताओ. देखो मुझे ये सही लग रहा है, ये वाला.
जो तुम्हें करना है कर चूज
ये
करो
वाला
यार. मम्मी का है, मैं अपना गिफ्ट सोच रहा हूँ.
तुम्हारे लिए क्यों गिफ्ट? कैसा क्या था ये बताओ. 4
ठीक
दिन.
ही है.
Later, when I came back home, I realized that I don't want my PC anymore. Like, I'll study from books, so I removed my PC.
Tomorrow is my mother's birthday, so me and my brother have planned a little. Well, not actually planned, but I have something in my mind, and we are gonna execute that. I'm saying it as such. There's full plan and all sort of stuff, but yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to record these moments because why not? It's my channel. I can upload whatever I want, and I really want to have a lot of memories of this year. Not talk a lot and sit down and study because 1 hour break is over, and yeah, I'm gonna study. Hey guys, so this is not midnight and this is neither the morning of the 14th August. Like, today is my mother's birthday and I told you guys previously that I will celebrate it in like the midnight and all. But guess what, मेरी मम्मी का व्रत था, like wow, and मुझे पता भी नहीं था. मुझे रात में पता चला and I was like, there's nothing we can do. She's not gonna eat cake or anything sweet like at the midnight. Okay, so yeah, nothing happened, no celebration. We just wished her and showed her gifts because why not? Yeah. So yeah, I am obsessed with saying yeah already because that is something I picked from a friend of mine जो कि just मेरे बगल में बैठती है, and I have gotten scolded for saying yeah to my father. Like literally I was on a call with my father. He was telling me, I was like yeah like that, and he was like, बेटा ढंग से बात करो, हमने ऐसे सिखाया तुम्हें बात करना. एंड लाइक ऑफ कोर्स नहीं पिताजी, आपने ऐसा नहीं सिखाया मुझे बात करना, तो मैं ढंग से बात करूँगी. एंड अभी मैं लाइक कोचिंग से आई थी. इट्स 6:30 और समथिंग, मे बी इट्स 6:45 नाउ, आई डोंट नो, बट इट्स अराउंड 6:30 और समथिंग. सो दिन भर मैंने क्या किया, मैं लाइक सुबह 5 बजे उठी थी, बट मैंने सोचा कि अगर मैं कैमरे के लिए लाइक फ़ोन उठाऊँगी तो मेरे में इतना रेजिलियंस नहीं है कि रेजिस्टेंस भी नहीं है मेरे में कि मैं स्क्रॉल ना करूँ. सो आई वुड प्रॉब्ली स्क्रॉल इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टडी. इसलिए मैंने कैमरा नहीं उठाया, मैंने पढ़ाई की. लाइक 1 घंटा पढ़ा, फिर आधे घंटे सो गई, फिर 1 घंटा पढ़ा, आधे घंटे सो गई, एंड फिर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आने लगी तो मैं सो गई. एंड देन मैं फिर उठी और मैंने जितना पढ़ा था पढ़ा. एंड देन मैं कोचिंग गई. कोचिंग से मैं भी आ रही हूँ लाइक 12 बजे गई होंगे, 11:30, आई डोंट नो. एंड अभी मैं आ रही हूँ लाइक 6:30 के अराउंड. ओके, सो ये सब तो फालतू की बातें हैं. उसके बाद मैं घर आई एंड मी एंड माई मॉम वाज हैविंग डोनट्स एंड कप केक्स. मेरा भाई घर पे नहीं है बाय द वे. हमने उसके लिए एक डोनट छोड़ दिया, चॉकलेट वन विच ही रियली लाइक्स. आई मीन शी इज गोना ट्राई फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, बट as I know that he likes chocolate, so I'm hoping that he'll like that donut. yeah, so that is one thing. And we didn't decided to cut cake and all because I don't know, we just didn't wanted to. And we were planning to go out and have dinner, okay, with my mom and my brother. But as he's not here, he's in the coaching, same coaching as mine, yeah. I hope PW sponsors me sometime, like manifesting sponsorship. When I get good number of subscribers, then I'm sure they will, yeah. Manifestation on top, because I really believe in manifestation and all. But if we put that all thing aside, there's one more thing, one more very nice news for myself and for my family, and I thought why not share it, because I think me uploading these videos are just memories of mine. I really don't care about subscribers. Well, I do a little bit, but whatever. So my father got promotion. Like wow, that like so such happy news, because he was going to get retired this year, and we were a little sad by that because you know, you know, just but as he got promotion, he's not getting retired very soon. So today we are just going out for dinner, and that too is a plus point and a reason to go out and have a dinner. And he was like, go to the he told us on the call, and he was like, I have to tell more people, so just go, you know, your mother and your little brother, take them out for a very good, pretty expensive restaurant. You guys have fun and all. And by the way, the next Sunday, today's like 14th and 16th is the next Sunday, and I have a test on that day. And let me tell you, I'm not prepared. Like, I have been trying, but I'm just not prepared that well. It just, I cannot tell you, the chapters which are coming in this test are really crazy chapters. Yeah, according to me, these chapters are crazy. So yeah, I haven't changed, and I will not change anytime soon. Like when we are going out at night, तभी मैं change करूँगी, अभी नहीं करूँगी. So right now I'm just going to go and sit and complete my short notes and study and solve questions. So let's go do that. Let's go. I'm just so happy today. ये इतना ज़्यादा दे दिया है, पता नहीं ख़त्म कैसे होगा भाई. Has arrived earlier. As you can see, it's very tasty. According to me, it was spicy chili garlic. And now we are waiting for my mom's and my brother's order, which is getting delayed a little bit, maybe a little bit more. So they ordered this watermelon mojito with this strawberry milkshake. The overall experience was not that good. I don't think we are going to come here again. By the way, it was our second time. But Mama ke sath first time tha, of course. What do you think, yeah? What about you? Is there like
would have been green.
he thought that water. लेकिन तुम्हें कैसे लगा कि watermelon green होगा भाई?
Watermelon green होता है.
This was my makeup done by me, of course. This is my fit. So my mom will be driving, of course. Because मुझे नहीं आती कार चलाने, so sad यार. मेरे पापा सिर्फ मेरी मम्मी को कार चलाना सिखाते हैं, मुझे नहीं सिखाते. So biased.
Misogynist. approach, a misogynistic approach of
He
men.
thinks I am a misogynist. I don't know